Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're back to doing the hair that I love the most, braidless crochet. I have been doing quick weaves, a little half up, half down, which is real cute, and I've been doing it for like the past 2 months. I want to break. I want to get back to what I love and what y'all know that I love, and that is braidless crochet. I'm trying some hair that I have tried before because it is my favorite, but I want to show you how I section my hair off, which is nothing fancy, but this is what works for me. So as you can see, my hair is not in cornrows, it's in plaits. And I know one can argue that a plait is a braid. Cool. If you can't do plaits, you can twist your hair, or you can put your hair back in a bun and secure it with a net. And let me show you the net I'm talking about. This is a mesh wig cap. It is my favorite thing to use when I'm doing crochet, especially braidless, because this hair is loose and I need a way to keep it secure. I made sure this time to get a closed top cap. Those are the ones that I like the best. On some braidless crochet videos, you'll see that they will pin their plaits down. I don't pin mine down. I just put the cap right over it. I don't know how many plaits I have. I just sectioned my hair off. There might be 12 in my head. It doesn't really matter. Whatever works for you. Here's the cap. She's stretchy. She just goes right over my head like this. I make sure all my plaits are inside. And then my favorite thing to do to make sure the front edge is flat is push this back. Put it right there and then push it back. That way my hair is secure. I'm not gonna cut this band, but I will show you how I kind of hide it after I put all of the hair in. Here's the hair that I'm gonna use. It's the Lulutress Deepwave. It is 12 inches and it says it's kid and teen friendly. I don't know exactly what that means because it's just crochet hair, but I'm gonna take it out of the pack so you can see it. So here's how it looks out of the pack. It is a looser curl texture or curl pattern, which means you're going to want to loop it 2 or 3 times. It does not have a rubber band at the top, so how secure it is solely based on how you install this hair. A couple of questions that I always get. Can you wash this hair? I would not recommend it, but yes, you can wash it if you want to, especially because there's no band. There's not going to be any band at the base. When you wash it, some of it might come out, and then also it's synthetic hair. It's going to get tangled. I'd recommend, if you need to keep your scalp clean, use a dry shampoo. I would not submerge my hair in water when I'm using loose synthetic crochet hair. Just don't do that. Another question I get after I install the hair and then I trim it a little bit is, why don't you cut it in half? Well, obviously, because if I cut it in half, it's going to be like half the length that I want. I'm only cutting off 1 inch or 2. If I cut this in half, this will be way too short. So just mind your business. Another question I get is, why didn't you show the back? Because I just assume that we know what the back of the hair looks like. I'm sorry, but I will show the back this time. So here's how the hair comes. And it comes in these like pre-sectioned pieces. I always debate if I want to separate the pieces more or just leave them like this. And I think what I'm gonna do is leave it and then run my finger through just half of the hair and leave the other side intact like this. I think that's what always works best for me. Normally when I'm doing these styles, I start off in the back, but I always wanna be able to show you. So I'm gonna start on the side here. And you just insert your latch hook under the cap, under the braid. Put the hair on. If it comes loose like that, just take it off and put it back on. Close that latch hook. Pull it through. Take the latch hook off. Put your fingers through, grab the hair, pull it through. Twist. Grab the hair, pull it through. Twist again, grab the hair, pull it through. I will be doing 3 loops for every single one of these because this is a loose textured hair. So here's what one piece looks like. I'm gonna install most of the hair and then we're gonna talk about whether or not I'm gonna trim it, how you can comb it, all of that stuff. So I am on my way out to a lunch or dinner. But here is the hair. Now you see I have a brown band on my brown cap so you can see when I miss a spot. All I'm gonna do is take the last few pieces of one of my packs. I used 6 packs of hair this time. Last time I used 5, so I'm not quite sure if I put them closer or what, but I love the hair. I'm just gonna take one of the pieces, go under the band, put it on and pull it through as usual. I'm still gonna knot it, but I'm gonna do only one side. Here's one side, here's the other. Put it on, pull it through, grab it, pull it through. And there we go. That really helped. So here's what I do to try to get these knots not to show so much. I grab a fine tooth comb and I go where the knots are and I try to tease it down. It doesn't work as well as a kinkier hair, but it does help. It helps a lot. Now, this is day 1 hair. It is very floppy. It's going to get in my face. Over the next few days, it's going to kind of fall into place where it's supposed to be. I did not cut any of this hair. I left it exactly as it is. I'm wearing it over to my right side as usual. I don't hate the knots showing, so I'm not going to really freak out about that. All I wanted to do was make sure that the cap is covered in the back, and it is. Let me turn around so you can see that. Back. Making sure that you can't see the cap through there. And here she is. It is a windy day, so I am kind of concerned about it going all over the place, but overall, I love this hair. If you need more info about this hair, my first video does go day 1 to day 14, but overall, I'm gonna wear this hair probably for about 2 weeks, and that's gonna be it. I typically don't like to wear crochet hair for more than 2 weeks unless it's the faux locks. Now those last a long time. Let me know if you've tried this hair. I'm in love. I feel like I look super duper cute. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.